Whew. Which buttercream lasts the longest? Ermine versus American buttercream. Whew. So my client's cake collapsed on me when I was about to deliver it to her. I have more on that story in another video along with my Ermine and American buttercream. But I live in Barbados. It is summertime every day. So as a baker, which buttercream works best in hot climates? So let's not waste any more time as I go and prepare my cakes. We'll begin the heat test now. Ermine versus American buttercream. Here we go. It is 32 degrees Celsius on a Sunday afternoon. This will be the hottest time of the day, and I'll try my best to leave them in the sun for at least 2 hours or more. Now, I learned my lesson. This time, I kept them in the refrigerator for a few hours before leaving them in the sun, so I know so far they should be good. But as the heat continued, they both showed signs of sweating. Now, it is buttercream. They both are buttercream. They both contain butter. So the question really is, how long will it take for them to melt? Which one is going to take the heat the best? Oh boy, during my recording, there were birds along with some furry, curious creatures behind the trees. A whole family of monkeys came to watch, and I just hoped that they wouldn't get too curious. Thankfully, they kept to themselves in the shade of the trees, and I decided to continue testing these cakes. Now, as a bonus, I did do a shade test. So we as bakers always say, keep your cakes in the shade. So for this shade test, I placed a dollop of both buttercreams outside, but away from the sun. And after 2 hours in the shade, they still remain the same, unlike our sunbathing cakes. The results are here, and as you all saw, the American did not stand a chance. They both melted. I'm sorry, American. I actually thought it was going to be the Ermine that will melt first. So what I'm going to do is separate the cakes. So let's start with the American. Actually, the frosting is pretty... It was actually starting to form a crust. Ooh, I just let you know, I just love this red velvet. So that's the American. And we have ourselves, oh, this one is actually soft, a little different to the American. Like, this is solid, and this one is still pretty, very, very soft. So look at that, look at that. I actually love Ermine. Okay guys, thank you for watching my little experiment. Should I do another buttercream? Like, this was kind of fun. It was kind of fun. So if you think so, just leave a comment which 2 buttercreams I should work with, and like this video if you learned anything from it, and subscribe. My name is Gabrielle Rock from Goldilocks Goodie Box and God bless.